In this part of course I will adjust the path process volume in the color correction part in order to achieve the most realistic result. Select Path Process Volume Exterior and go to the Details panel. Open Color Grading tab. Global. Activate Saturation. Lower the value to 0.9 to make the colors less saturated. Activate Contrast and set the value to 1.1. This will make the image more contrast. Go to the Local Exposure tab. Lower the Highlight Contrast Scale to 0.6 to reduce the brightness of the highlights. Activate Detail Strength. Raise the value to make the image more detailed. Increasing the blurred luminance kernel size makes the bloom effect more visible. Let's move on to the interior. Go to Path Process Volume Interior Settings. Local Exposure tab. Detail Strength set to 1.5. Reduce Blurred Luminance Blend to 0.5. Go to the Color Grading tab. Temperature. Activate Temperature Type and Temp. Lower the temperature to 5800 to make the image colder. Saturation lower to 0.8. Leave contrast at 1. Well, I think on this I will finish with the setup.